Good morning from the National Weather Service here in Pocatello. My name is Carter, and this is your Southeast Idaho weather hazard briefing for Saturday, March 12th. Looking at our next winter system as it arrives for Sunday, bringing light snow across much of the region, along with some gusty winds. We'll have a break on Monday with our next system inbound for Tuesday. Some key points we're going to focus on this morning. Did see some scattered morning snow showers, mainly along the Continental Divide further north, but those clouds should be clearing out throughout the day, leading way to some clear sunny skies for everyone by this afternoon. We have that winter storm moving in tonight. It's going to be precipitation is going to be moving in from the northwest to southeast, mainly looking at about just a trace to 3 inches on our lower elevation zones, and about 2 to 6 with some locally higher amounts in the sawtooths. Warmer temperatures may allow for a rain-snow mix about Pocatello south, and with those gusty winds up to 40 miles an hour, just something to keep in mind if you're traveling tomorrow. Due to that warming trend through early next week, we'll be in the mid-50s as far as you get looking towards Tuesday, and with that same time frame for Tuesday, that will be the arrival of our next system. Taking a quick look at satellite this morning, we do have these upper-level clouds as they continue to work through this high-pressure ridge that's going to be quickly heading further east and allowing for that precipitation to be able to fall around our areas. So we're going to see some clearing skies as these clouds work further northeast, and we'll see some increasing clouds as we get towards the evening hours as well. Look at your weather risk outlook this morning. Main concerns are just going to be that morning snow showers and some breezy winds up along the divide. But the attention turns for tomorrow. We're looking at some, light rain snow showers in our lower elevation zones with some snow and some gusty winds, especially as we would go across our higher terrain, Snake Plain and Magic Valley. For Monday, we may see a few lingering snow showers primarily in the morning, and then by Tuesday, we're going to have our next system coming in. The temperatures are going to be fairly warm, so we're looking at a predominantly rain event in the Snake Plain, Magic Valley, and some lower elevation rain as you head further south. Looking further north and east, should just be a mainly snow event, looking at those breezy wind potential as well. And by Wednesday, that system should be out of here, pretty much a quick mover, and we'll see those temperatures at least begin to fall coming into Wednesday as well from that high that we saw on Tuesday. Temperatures today will be in the upper 30s to mid-50s as we head out further out towards Twin Falls. So overall, pleasant day with plenty of sunshine. And kind of timing out the snowfall for you. So let's take a look at the snowfall amounts tonight. So mainly going to be in the central mountains. Again, that precipitation is going to work northwest to southeast. So beginning up in Stanley, Sun Valley, that area. And by Sunday, we're going to see that precipitation begin to overspread. So still snowing in the central mountains, but we start to see maybe just about a trace of snow in the Snake Plain, maybe some rain showers further south. But as you get in the higher terrain further south and east, we are seeing that potential for an accumulating snowfall about 1 to 3 inches in our lower elevations, with a little bit up higher, about that 4 to 6 category. And for Sunday night, we do have a few lingering snow showers. Decent accumulations in the Tetons continue about an inch or two, but everywhere else should be pretty much dry as we approach Sunday night. And here's a look at the snow total. So this is looking at the 24 hours totals. It's going to be mainly in the central mountains and Tetons where the heaviest snowfall accumulation, that best potential for about 6 to 10 inches of snow will be falling above those zones at about 8,000 feet. Everywhere else, just looking about a trace to 4 inches. Bear River Range, a little bit more down there in our southern higher elevation zones. But everyone else, just mainly seeing a trace of snow depending on where you're at, but maybe a little bit of rain again mixing through about south of Pocatello and for our lower elevation zones. High temperature Sunday, we do drop by a few degrees, so we will be in the upper 30s to low 40s as we get out towards here. So that increased cloud cover towards Sunday will be leading to temperatures at least dropping off for a little bit. Take a look at wind speeds and gusts for Sunday. We're looking about 20 to 25 miles an hour across much of the Snake Plain, with those wind gusts approaching that 35 to 40 mile an hour threshold. So it's going to be pretty breezy out there with some locally higher gusts. Something to keep in mind as you're headed out the door for Sunday. Temperatures Monday, we're going to see that warming trend through Tuesday, so temperatures rebound back into the 30s to mid-50s as you head further west. And by Tuesday, we're seeing 50 degrees again here in Pocatello, Burley, Twin Falls, and just warmer temperatures well above freezing for everybody. And here's a preliminary look at that snowfall amounts for Tuesday into Wednesday. As you can see, a lot of that rain is going to be eating up a lot of that precipitation that falls as snow in our lower elevation corridors, but everywhere else should stay primarily snow with this event. So looking at, another decent accumulations in the central mountains, Tetons, Bear River Range, and our southern higher elevation zones. And temperatures for Wednesday, we're going to see those fall just by a few degrees, so we're looking at just about freezing for our northern zones and mid-40s as you head further south. And in summary this morning, just some scattered morning snow showers, creating some slippery road conditions further north. But that will be leading way to some clear sunny skies for everyone by this afternoon. Due to that winter system moving in for tonight, precipitation will move in northwest to southeast, mainly looking about a trace to a couple inches in our lower elevation zones, and that potential for about 6 inches or more is going to be staying in the mountains. Warmer temperatures may allow for that rain-snow mix for our lower elevations, just about Pocatello south, and we are looking at those gusty wind potential up to 40 miles an hour. Warming trend through early next week. So next week's going to be the warmest day is going to be that Tuesday before temperatures fall again, and we have our next system arriving for Tuesday. Best potential for some low elevation rain event and some high elevation snow. And that wraps up your weather briefing for today, Saturday, March 12th. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to send us an email, give us a call, or check out some information on our website. Have a wonderful weekend.